Well, good afternoon. The storm is coming, guys. The clouds are starting to get thicker. They'll be real dark 1 minute and then lighten up the next. But here in about 2 hours is when the rain is supposed to get here. It's been a whole lot cooler today, so I've enjoyed that. I've been getting a lot of stuff done today. I just put out a video on Come On Homesteading of all of the what's happening that's been happening around here. And it's a lot. I just got through doing all my chores, feeding all these guys and these guys. Let's get an update on the babies. Oof. Oh, wait. They're getting big. Ooh, back up a little bit. They are getting big. Gandalf ain't even hungry. He's just hanging out. Parkour's always hungry. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Clips is my shy eater over there. And of course the goats. I haven't been getting a lot of sun on the old solar thing, so I just hooked the extension cords up. Start doing a little trickle charge on it from the generator over there while the generator's running. I did have it hooked up that way before, but when I was fixing the road, I moved the water hoses and the extension cord that runs across it right there. I hear you, man. I hear you. We're gonna get you whenever we walk back up to the cabin. Midnight, come here. Come here. I know it. I know it. You letting it be known, huh? Hey, what are you doing? You wanted to come say hi to everybody? You're like, I ain't been on camera in a couple of days, huh? Aw. I think Midnight's missed y'all, guys. Yeah. Old jealous butt's fitting to work his way back over here. Now that Midnight's getting all this attention, huh? Yeah. Was that good? You good to go now? Midnight's been doing some major hunting here lately. I've been watching her attack butterflies. What are you looking for, Domino? The boneyard. Whew, a lot of work has went on here. So much. So much. Wanted to come over here before it rains and go ahead and put the doors down on these. That way nothing gets messed up, because that wouldn't be good if I did all that work just for it still to get wet. No bueno. Oh, might have to set y'all down for a second. Put y'all off over here for a second. Hold on. Ugh. Y'all gonna be a little crooked for a minute. I know I done moved your bed, didn't I, Midnight? One down, one to go. Making some really good progress in the cabin. Going through some bins and wires and all kinds of stuff like that that's been stored forever in the cabin that really needed to be gone through. And today's the day, because it was actually supposed to rain early, surprisingly. But Arkansas, you know how that is. And they really depend on whatever. when it comes to the weather. So I had that project slotted because I'm also purging and organizing the cabin and loft and all that other stuff at the same time that I'm doing these canopies right here, because a lot of the stuff that was in the canopies I actually want to be stored in here. So it kind of just made sense that they both kind of went together. Got to get a phone holder. This is a mountain phone holder right here, guys. It's how we hold our phones in the mountains. Put you over here like that, like so. These are not the best ratchet straps on the planet, trust me. They are cheap. For sure. And that definitely is not going to want to go down. So stretch with it. Almost had it. Don't you love it when you think projects are going to be little projects and they turn out to be nightmares? Happens a lot on the mountain. Now why couldn't that one do like this one? That's what I was looking for. But no such luck. Oh, there we go. Persistence. Persistence. That goes around there, if I remember correctly. There. This one goes there. Now we're cooking with bacon grease. Whew. That took a minute. But we got them all zipped up now. Good to go. Ready to keep everything good in the storm that's coming. It's supposed to be like 2 days, I believe. It's changed so many times this week. It's supposed to be 1 day, then it turned into 3 days, back to 2 days, and the days kept changing. But it looks like it's finally going to get here tonight. Somebody's full of energy. Looks like it's going to get here tonight. I got everything out of the yard and situated and ready for the rains, so I'm ready. My grass could use it. A good 2 days of rain will go a long ways in the yard. This late summer right here, we've been getting just enough rain to keep my yard from dying off and stuff and coming back nice and healthy. You ready, Domino? I see you creeping back there, Midnight. All right, guys, I'm gonna go feed Midnight and Domino. Matter of fact, let me get Domino some groceries while I'm over here. I don't know what you're whining about. You got all kinds of groceries over there. You got all the groceries. Oh, you got them all. Just because I'm opening the barrel don't mean y'all get more. Whew. These two right here are best friends. They hang out all the time, and Domino can't wait to go outside in the morning and always finds Midnight right off. Well, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Love every single one of y'all. Do something nice for somebody, guys. Enjoy this weekend. Take the weekend off. We'll see y'all tomorrow.